Hey, well, happy football season. Hey, I've got a really quick little mortgage-specific thing that has to do with very minor repairs when you've got a mortgage or when you're going to buy a house. So come on and check this out real quick.
You got a friend in me.
Hi, I'm Brian Heckman here with a super beneficial tip that happens to be about mortgages actually this week. Hey, so if you know anybody that's looking at buying a house or selling a house right now, there's a lot of these bank-owned transactions and short sales in the market, and a lot of those come with some issues to the property or some repairs that need to be done. And sometimes these bank sellers or the short sale bank or Fannie Mae or HUD, they might not allow any repairs to be done in the house. They're basically saying it's as is. But then on the bank side, we might have to have these repairs done prior to closing. And so that leaves a buyer in a pretty tight situation where they don't want to do repairs on a property that they don't yet own, but yet they can't close on the house until those repairs are done. Well, the answer to that and the solution, our company has an escrow holdback, which just means we can basically collect money for the repairs of the property and hold that in escrow as part of the closing transaction to go make those repairs after closing when the buyer has gone in and actually owns the house. And that's a great solution in these situations. So a lot of mortgage companies and banks don't even do escrow holdbacks. The ones that do, a lot of them will cap you out at $2,500. What we'll do is we'll go up to $5,000 for these escrow repairs. Now, hey, keep in mind, these are for minor repairs. They're not for, major renovations and room additions or anything. That's gonna be a renovation product, which we also have that program as well. But this is just for the minor stuff. So, hey, if you know anybody out there that's in this situation that's buying, it's just a great thing to keep in mind, because sometimes you find a house that's perfect that just needs a little couple things done that have to be done before closing. So this is a solution to that. So, hey, would really appreciate it if you know somebody that's looking to buy or sell that might fall into this category. They can certainly call our office. The number here is on the screen, and just get the information. There's a couple of quirks we got to work through to make sure it's done properly. Hey, I'm Brian Heckman with our mortgage team. It is much more than just mortgages, and know that you can always rely on us for the mortgages, for information, and for ideas. Have an awesome weekend.
There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you.
If we stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me.